What is going on there, buddy? Captain Namco here. We're going to set my 2003 second gen Safetran mechanical bell off. I set my 1982 first gen Western Colin Hayes mechanical bell off the other day. And now it's time for the Safetran to go off. I usually try to do it within the same week, the same day, and because usually both my bells will ring on that same day. So all right, power supply is running, so that's a good sign. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos. I'm your host, Captain Namco, saying thanks for watching. And as always, before I go, I always want to remind you that Jesus loves you, and have a wonderful day. And we'll see you next time with another bell video. Have a great day, everybody.